Technology and scientists depict a bright picture of the society of the future. According to them, health facilities will be available to all the citizens without any pay. Fatal disease will be eradicated and very few people will die of this disease. Latest and modern education in the fields of various technologies and science, space technology, nuclear science and technology, engineering technology, literature and fine arts etc. will be available to all the students. Information and computer technology will make tremendous progress and will be available to all due to the use of science and technology on a large scale. The citizens of the society of the future will lead a comfortable and luxurious life. Robots will work in field and industries in place of workers and laborers. A revolution will take place in the field of transportation. There will be fast and speedy railway, trains and cargoes. Traveling from one place to another will take very short time. Computer will be common, even access to supercomputer will become quite easy. There will be no problem of pollution as the use of solar energy will be common, which is more friendly as compared to the coal and fuel energy. The citizens of the society of the future will put an end to mutual grudges and toothless and will settle their disputes through peaceful negotiations. Migration of all kinds will be unerrated. There will be peace of goodwill among the citizens of the society. That will be an ideal and peaceful era, but to bring that good time, it is the duty of the present generation to devote themselves to the study of science and technology, to pave a way for a successful, peaceful, and advanced society in the years of come.